Most people believe they need money, connections, or luck to start something big. But the truth is, they don't. Some of the most successful people started with almost nothing. No rich parents, no big investments, no perfect plan. Just one thing, the courage to take the first step. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the mindset that can turn anyone into a winner. Stay with me till the end, because the last point is the most important. Champions aren't born rich. They aren't born lucky. They are born persistent. They are born willing to take risks when others are afraid. Most people wait for the perfect time. They wait for money, connections, or permission. Champions don't wait. They start today with what they have. Every great journey begins with a single step. Every step counts, even the smallest one. Because small steps, repeated consistently, lead to massive results. Now, let's talk about business. Don't worry. I'm not going to teach you complicated dropshipping or investments you don't understand. Business starts with one simple question: what problem can I solve? Someone needs guidance. Someone wants entertainment. Someone needs motivation. Someone wants convenience. If you can help, you have a business. You don't need a shop. You don't need a machine. You don't need money. Your mind is your factory. Your time is your capital. Your phone or laptop is your office. Creativity, effort, and persistence are your first investment. Take action today, and the results will start appearing, slowly, at first, and then faster. You are the most powerful tool you have. Your knowledge, your discipline, your energy, are more valuable than money. Every skill you learn adds value. Every small effort compounds over time. Every day you try, learn, and improve is a day your future self will thank you for. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for resources. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Start where you are with what you have. Your mind, your focus, your actions, these are your true wealth. Fear is what stops most people. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of losing money. But remember, failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Every mistake teaches you something. Every setback pushes you closer to your goal. The people who succeed are not the ones who never fail. They are the ones who keep moving, even when they fail. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is taking action, despite fear. You don't need millions to start. You need courage, action, and consistency. Start today. Take your first step. Even if it's small, it matters. If this video inspired you, subscribe, like, and comment below. I will start. This is the Night of Champions, where champions are made. Today, your journey begins. And remember, the only thing standing between you and your dreams is the action you take right now.